Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to teach you about Microsoft Word macros. So what a macros is a shortcut that does a task that you would do repeatedly. A typical macro, that Microsoft already has is things like your alignment. Align all of the text to the left, the center right, or justified. That's a shortcut key that is already created for you right here in your formatting palette. But if you had to do other formatting things, such as change all your text to Lucida handwriting, and then had to reformat it to 14 and then in blue, then that's a few steps that could all be done in just one quick keystroke that you've created yourself. So let's undo that. And what you'll do is go up to your tools menu and then go to macro and then record new macro. You can assign it to a toolbar and then you can pop it up into your toolbar here, or you can assign it to a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to call this Lucida format, and then down here we can go give it a description. Changes text to Lucida handwriting 14 blue, and then we'll click keyboard and then give it a keyboard shortcut. I'm gonna assign it to something like option F8. Oh, well, that's already currently assigned to something, so I'm gonna try something else. Option F1. It's unassigned, so then I'll assign it to that, and then I'll click OK, and then our record dialog box comes up here. So if we already have some text selected, then we can simply go over, select our new font, new size, and our new color, and then click stop, and then our macro has now been created. So say we go down to some different text and we're going to have to change the formatting of that text. I can hit option F1 and now my text has been formatted to this, and I can continually use this in all my documents from now on. And if I need to go back and change it, I can go back to the macros and look in here, and under your normal global template documents is where all your new macros will be saved. All your typical Word commands will be under Word commands, and these are ones that Microsoft has already created for you, and you can always run those from here as well. And that's where you can also now delete this or change the settings of it, and this will bring up Visual Basic, which lets you manually go into the code and change your macros to whatever you want. So you could change it to like 18 or color, and then you can change it to green, say, and then whenever you're done you'll simply exit out of that, go back, and then whenever you go to run your macro again, your macro has been updated to your changes. And that's how you use macros in Microsoft Word.